How to enable JavaScript for Safari on your MacBook. So there is another video about how to do this on Google Chrome, but this video is going to be talking about the Safari web browser specifically. So with that being said, the first step is to go to the top left hand corner of your MacBook where you'll see Safari just by itself next to the Apple. You want to go ahead and click on that. Then you'll want to click on Settings on this drop down menu here. Next, you will look for the toolbar at the top where it says Security. Go ahead and click on the Security section, and then there it will say a part where it says Web Content. Then you want to click the tick box there where it says Enable JavaScript. Once that's ticked, you know it's enabled. You can go back in there if you want to disable it, turn it on or off in this section again by clicking on Settings, then ticking or unticking the Enable JavaScript box. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.